I bought my first Dollar Tree Christmas item this year because apparently time has no meaning anymore. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another Dollar Tree haul for you today. This is Halloween specific. I am so excited. Halloween is one of my favorite things to shop at the Dollar Tree for. Probably only behind Christmas. By the way, I bought my first Dollar Tree Christmas item this year because apparently time has no meaning anymore. Really cute stuff, but I'm gonna go through all this Halloween stuff. I have bags and bags of stuff at my feet. Even I think it's a little extreme. I did like a fall Dollar Tree haul about a month ago. I'll link it below. But again, this is all pretty Halloween specific. Now that I said that, I see a few like fall non-Halloween things. Oh, I'm gonna start with these. These are totally cute. I bought something like this last year, but they've got a brand new design. They came out with these really cute like cardboard box books. So they open up and you could put stuff in them, but they got like different sizes and it's so cute. So this is a skull one and it says poison, and then this little one spells potions and creepy concoctions. And then look how cute they are stacked. I know there's a third one, yeah. So then this is the littlest one. I think this one's my favorite. Halloween tricks and treats. I love the coloring on that. And they are just darling all stacked together. Like I said, they came out with a collection like this last year, but last year's designs were different. So I'm glad to have this new set, and this is such a cute decor piece. And then what I love about it is they can all go inside one another for easy storing. I mean, if you're like me and you buy this stuff at the Dollar Tree year after year, it's like, how do I store it and not look like a crazy hoarder? Well, there you go. Really cute. You cannot beat that for $1 each. I got this, like, I guess this is for outdoors. I'm gonna use these outdoors. I thought these were so cute. Let me untangle them. I got these little witches' feet. How cute are they? They're on like, not wood, but like that compressed board stuff, but pretty sturdy and a really good size. Really nice and tall, and they had a few different colors. I liked the classic orange and black. I think I'm gonna stick these maybe in like a planter and just have the witch's feet sticking out near my front door. I'm gonna totally be doing a Halloween decorate with me. Actually, that might be my next video, so make sure to hit that red subscribe button so you can see what I do with all these things. Oh my gosh, this is probably my item I'm most excited about. I saw people haul this and I was looking for them and I couldn't find them, and then I finally got my hands on them. So these are like little box gift bags. There's a little handle here so you could treat it like a gift bag, but it's cardboard. It's not, is it cardboard? Yeah, it's cardboard. It's not like a paper gift bag, but look how cute the design is. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Dollar Tree has obviously caught on that we're all obsessed with PSL. And I love the size of them. I got this one too. I think this is my favorite of the two. Pumpkin Patch, Farm Fresh, Open Daily. I love this color scheme. If you guys watched my fall decorate with me, I'll link it below. I mentioned in that I was totally into burnt orange and mint green this year. I've been really drawn to that color combination, and this is it right here. So you could do a ton of things with this. You could use them as gift bags, but I'm thinking like flowers. Obviously I can't pour water in here, but maybe I'm gonna put some like little vases inside and then stick fresh flowers inside of it. I think these would be really pretty for flower arrangements. And they had other designs too. I just grabbed the designs I like best. I don't actually buy everything I see at the Dollar Tree. I got some of these little signs. I think these are just darling. Trick or treat and Happy Halloween. I love the designs of both. I love this like Victorian Gothic and then this cute little cheerful one with little polka dot pumpkins. They're both really cute. A really nice size for $1. These are kind of the same vein as those like thankful, grateful fall signs they had out like a month ago that we all picked up. A couple more signs. These are so cute. The Dollar Tree like autumn and Halloween signs were so cute this year. These are both darling. For $1 each, I think these look like something you would pay $8 for at TJ Maxx. I like this one the best, I think. Trick or treat with the little bow, and then this one, eat, drink, and be scary. So that will probably end up in my kitchen. Both, again, a really good size. Really pretty patterns and designs. Oh, I got something that I've never bought before at the Dollar Tree, but I'm really into it this year. I got some ornaments. I've never done a Halloween tree before, but this year might be the year. And I absolutely love these. So you got a really nice set with like this little orange spider web one and this black glitter one. I'm sure when I take it out, the glitter is going to go everywhere because we all know that happens with Dollar Tree items. But I think that's a really good price. And I know I have another in here. I bought another set of like purple and black, but I'm thinking maybe I have kind of like this idea of bare branches in a like galvanized tub at my front door. So just long bare branches and hang them that way outside, kind of like a spooky tree. So it's good they're not actually glass, they're plastic, so they can't break if I put them outside. I got some mugs and I'm so excited to be making this video, so now I can take these out of the bags and put them in my kitchen and use them, because I'm absolutely obsessed with these designs. This one is my favorite, pumpkin spice and everything nice. I love the design, I love the fonts they use. I think, again, this looks like something you would pay $6 for at like Home Goods. And then happy pumpkin spice latte season. I mean, guys, I am all in. I know it's kind of like just way overdone now, but I am just all about the pumpkin spice when it comes out. I'm so excited. Actually, I made my own pumpkin spice recipe this year. I did like a sugar-free keto diet version. I'll link that below if you want to check it out. So I'm really into making them at home. Those mugs will be perfect for that. See, now I lied. These are not Halloween, but I'm going to show them to you. I picked these up actually for Thanksgiving. I got these little votive candle holders. I couldn't resist. They're like this really pretty amber color, and I got 3 of them. I'm going to use them at my Thanksgiving tablescape. They're a gorgeous color, really unique, and not anything that I've ever seen at Dollar Tree before. It kind of looks very vintage to me. Such a pretty warm color for fall. Oh, I picked up a repeat item for me. It's something that I have bought in years past, and now one of them is falling apart in my hand. I gotta put it back together. So it's these like ghost guys. I think I got 3 of them. I love this decoration. So I think this is the 3rd year Dollar Tree has put these out, and since they've been putting them out, I've been buying them a couple each year because they are such great quality to me. I put them outdoors in a tree, so now I'm gonna have like a tree full of them, and they're really long and they really flow in the wind and they hold up, so I leave them outdoors. It rains, it storms, and still they look good year after year. So I'm just kind of slowly adding to my collection until I have an old oak tree just filled with these guys. They scare people who are going, you see them out of the side of your eye and you're like, ooh, it startles my husband. They are such a cool, cute little outdoor Halloween decoration. Okay, so I got a stack of like art kits, and I want to talk about these because my daughter has been super into them lately, and they have saved us a bunch. This one's kind of my favorite deal they've got going on right now. They're these little piñatas for $1. It's a whole piñata kit, and these occupy my daughter like nothing else. We've been having so much fun making them. There's a pumpkin one as well that I don't have to show you because we actually made it, and it's so cute seeing what she comes up with when she's done. Like, it doesn't look like the picture, but it's a lot of fun. So we've had a few really rainy days where we couldn't do anything, and these have been such lifesavers. Or like, she was sick a few weeks ago and just miserable, and I was able to pull these out and she was so happy. We've also got these little deals, like it's a little wooden craft and she can paint it. There were also a bunch of like little wooden plaques that came with markers. I got a ton of them and we've been going through them. I love making stuff like this. We live really far from family, so we can make stuff like that, and then she can send it, and it's a great little keepsake, and she's really proud of what she came up with. But again, for $1 you get this whole hours-long activity to keep your kids occupied. I got some paper napkins because I always do. I always like having holiday napkins, whatever the specific holiday is at that time of year. So I got 3 packs. I thought this was a really cute design. Of course, there's so many different designs. Oh, I forgot about this. I'm really excited I got this. I got a to-go coffee cup, and it says sweater weather. So cute. That's one of my favorite hashtags on Instagram. I keep putting up a lot of autumn pictures and doing hashtag sweater weather. Yeah, really cute. I love the cranberry color. We're all drinking a hot drink this time of year. I got some super fun dish towels. Oh, see, look at me. Again, these are Thanksgiving, not Halloween. Well, you guys will forgive me. I love when they do these little tea towels. Some of the like terry cloth towels, they look kind of inexpensive to me, and I don't really pick those up often. But when it's this tea towel material, I feel like it still looks like good quality. So this one says pumpkin pie, and it's got a pumpkin pie recipe on it. This one says eat him. Eat ham. Okay, that's better. Eat him's a little mean. But eat ham, that's cute. It's kind of like the Chick-fil-A eat more beef campaign. Anyway, a little turkey. The turkey, I guess, is saying eat ham, not turkey. And then this one's my favorite. Pie is the limit, with a little piece of pumpkin pie and then these little pumpkin pie slices in the background. Really cute. I'm gonna bring those out November 1st for sure. I got a package of Swiss Miss. I'm making a care package for my sister who's at her first year of college, and I'm gonna send it to her, I think, for Halloween and fill it up with goodies. So she's gonna get this. One of the pumpkin piñatas my daughter made is gonna go in that package for sure. And my daughter, as I've been mentioning, she loves arts and crafts, and so I got her this pack of stickers. She loves stickers, and these are so cute. So they're like little felt stickers, and you get these little pumpkins and bats, and I just feel like they look so vintage, like 1920s Halloween decorations. Really pretty. You get 16, that's pretty good. And I got this little wooden guy. I thought he was plastic when I first saw him, so I was going to pass him up. But then when I realized it was wood, I was intrigued. It looks kind of like farmhouse wood. And it says Happy Halloween, and then it lights up. That's really cute. I'm going to put this on like my foyer table. But I think that's really cute. And I got a black one as well that looks like, I think, a tombstone. I'm not seeing it right now, so who knows where it walked off to. Oh, see, as promised. Here's the purple ornaments that I got. And it's also got like the little spider web. I got this really cute scarf. It's in buffalo plaid, but orange and black. And there's so many possibilities what you could do with this. Wear it in your hair, wear it as a scarf. This is probably going to end up as decoration, like, you know, draped over a table or maybe in a pot. Who knows, but really, really cute. I got a felt banner. It's got like ghosts and little pumpkins. Again, this looks very retro Halloween decoration to me, which I love. I do a lot of garlands this time of year. I put them over fireplaces, a lot of different places. I am safe when hanging things above my fireplace. I swear that sounded crazy to me saying it's felt. I'm gonna hang it over a fire. I promise wherever it goes, it will be safe. I got some confetti. This will go in the care package. Whenever I make like a box of stuff to send to my sister as a care package, I like to fill it with nonsense. I like her to open it and for it to look crazy. That's my aesthetic. So I'm gonna fill it with confetti, make a nice big mess on her dorm room floor. So now I got a bunch of stuff to make like little goodie bags. Oh wait, before I move on to that, more Halloween stickers for my daughter. Really cute. And then I did find the other one of these. So, oh, it's a little haunted house. That's cute. This is really cute. And then it lights up and it says trick or treat. That's darling. I think that's so cute. And even if like it only lasts for that season, I think that's great for $1. That looks like something they'd sell at Target for $5. It's wood. It's not plastic. That's why I like it so much. Oh, let me keep going. Socks. These are really cute. So they're like knee-high socks. Are these kids' socks? No, sizes 5 to 9. So this is women's sizes. I think these are really cute. This is going to go to my sister in her little care package. So as I was saying, I got little goodie bag stuff. And one, I like to make little goodie bags to give out to trick-or-treaters. Now I do a big bowl of candy and I give candy as well. But if there's like little kids, I love to also give them a little like gift baggie full of little treats that are all, you know, appropriate for the age. I'm not giving anybody stuff they might swallow and choke, but just fun little goodies, because sometimes when I was a kid I would get stuff like that and I always thought it was so fun to have something to unwrap. Anyway, my daughter's also in preschool this year for the first year, and I kind of was thinking I might make a little goodie bag for each kid in her class. There's only 7 kids in her class, so it's really easy to do and I enjoy it. But does that sound crazy? If you were a mom of a preschooler and your preschooler got a little goodie bag of little Halloween goodies, would you think it's weird? Again, I wouldn't put anything edible in it because I don't know who's allergic to what, but just like little goodies. Tell me if you think that's weird, because I don't know if other moms would think that's strange to be bringing all that stuff into their house. Anyway, I got a package of little Halloween pens. I thought those were really cute. And then I got a bunch of packages of these. This little, like, you know, the paddle with the ball. I thought those were cute. You get 6 for $1. Got a bunch of packages of those. And then of course I got like little treat bags. So it says Happy Halloween, and you can fill them up and you get 30 for $1. That's incredible. And apparently I got 2 packages of them. So apparently I plan to make 60 of these. I'm totally not. Oh, I thought these were really cute. 18 pieces. Wow. Okay, so you get these. I got these little, this would be great for the preschoolers. It's little individual boxes with stickers inside the boxes, and there's different Halloween designs. And for $1 I got 18 boxes. Look at that. That is such a good deal. So I think that would be great for the preschooler bags if I end up doing it. And look, I got 2. No, I didn't. I got 3. Apparently I plan to make a lot of treat bags. We have a lot of trick-or-treaters in my neighborhood. It's filled with kids. So I got all the different designs. Apparently I really liked the sticker boxes. And then I got these little tops. I thought this would be good for the preschooler bags because it's a nice size. It's something they can do. Nothing they can swallow. And then I got this bag of like the classic little, you remember getting these as a kid, the little plastic rings. There's like spiders and bats, and I picked this up because you get 50 for $1, so that's great stuff inside the little goodie bags. And then I got these treat bags. So you get 15 for $1, still a good price, but they're a little bigger. I got these because I think I might make pumpkin muffins and give them out to neighbors like in the lead up to Halloween, because I'm that neighbor. I stick food in your mailbox. My neighbors do the same. That I live in that kind of neighborhood. My neighbors do that kind of stuff too, so I'm not crazy in my neighborhood. I'm just wondering if I will be crazy to my preschool companions. Anyway, that is it. That's what I've got. It's a ton of stuff. Like I said, I love Halloween. It brings me so much joy, like putting together these little things, care packages and treat bags. I love doing it. If you're watching this, you probably love doing it too. Let me know in the comments what you've been finding at the Dollar Tree. Do they have Christmas out where you are? Because it's starting to creep in where I am, and it's giving me a little bit of a panicked feeling. Like I said, hit that red subscribe button. I've got a ton more autumn, Halloween, Thanksgiving stuff coming up, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so I know to do more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.